Yo, what up everybody? We're back. I know I ain't really been riding around St. Pete, but reason being they're like getting really, I mean the cops, they're getting so aggressive with the cyclists. And I know it's from the e-bikers. Like I know that the fatalities have been up, everything's been increased, but like they're going after like people like me, you know, and they don't understand that we got a car behind us. They don't understand, you know, when we run or roll through that stoplight and stop sign, we're doing that to get out of Dodge. We're not doing that because we're lawless. We're being, you know, forget what they call it, I can't think. You try thinking at 330 watts, ain't gonna happen. We're just riding, you know, protectively. I know there's a word for it, but I just crossed over the Gandy, going into Tampa, can't really think straight. Got too many, you know, I gotta keep an eye out on too many different things. And I don't want to get caught by the ops after everything they've said about me. LOL. That sun's probably messing everything up. Dang it. But I'm not sure how much GoPro space we have left. Let's probably go on the gram, give them something to talk about. Let me show you how you do it, bruh. They think they're the king. It's like you got a whole production team, my boy. I'm out here with the GoPro and an iPhone making things happen. What are you thinking, bruh? Never once paid somebody for the videos. I ain't gonna lie, we are gonna get up in the sidewalk though. I ain't trying to get hit by no semi. That is for certain. See how I do that, bro? You don't know nothing about no controlling no bike. Don't say you do, because you don't. These dudes are just beginners, man. Sure, they got the social media thing down, okay. Whatever, that's fine. But they don't understand going off camber. They don't understand about tire pressure. They got their full-on service department helping them. It's like, who's helping me? Nobody.